Micro gigs for big bucks. How to earn $1,500 a month proofreading. Online. Are you a stickler for details? Do spelling mistakes jump out at you? What if I told you that keen eye for accuracy could be earning you a steady $1,500 every single month, all from the comfort of your home, with no special degree required? For many, finding a truly flexible, non-physical, and reliable work-from-home job feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on a fantastic opportunity: online proofreading and light editing. It's perfect if you're looking for a consistent, accessible income that values your attention to detail. What is online proofreading and editing? Simply put, online proofreading is about catching errors in written text before it's published or sent out. Think typos, grammar mistakes, punctuation errors, formatting inconsistencies. It's the final polish that makes writing shine. Light editing might involve slightly more, perhaps refining sentence structure for clarity, or ensuring consistent tone, but without rewriting large sections. It's all about making sure the message is clear, correct, and professional. This isn't about writing content yourself. It's about making someone else's content perfect. And yes, it's 100% remote. All you need is your brain, your computer, and a good internet connection. Why this is perfect for you? This opportunity truly shines for anyone seeking accessible, flexible work. If you have physical limitations or fluctuating energy, proofreading is ideal. You set your own pace, take breaks when needed, and work from your most comfortable setup. Your sharp mind is your greatest asset here. For students and young adults, this is an excellent way to earn significant income that can fit around classes or other commitments. It hones your analytical skills, requires strong English proficiency, which many of you already have, and provides valuable experience for your resume. Plus, you'll be surprised how many academic papers, resumes, or marketing materials need a fresh set of eyes. The demand for accurate written content is universal, from authors and bloggers to small businesses, students, and academics. Everyone wants their communication to be flawless, creating a constant need for skilled proofreaders. How to get started? Ready to turn your eagle eye into $1,500 a month? Brush up your skills. You don't need a degree. But strong grammar, spelling, and punctuation are non-negotiable. If it's been a while, grab a good grammar guide or use free online resources. Grammarly can be a great tool for catching common errors, but you'll need to develop your human eye for nuance. Practice, practice, practice. Find articles online, blogs, or even old documents. Challenge yourself to find every error. The more you practice, the faster and more confident you'll become. Build a simple portfolio. Even if you don't have paid experience, offer to proofread for friends or family for free. Get their feedback and save samples of your before and after work. This shows prospective clients what you can do. Find your first clients. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are common starting points. Create a clear profile, highlighting your attention to detail, reliability, and your commitment to error-free work. Start with smaller, lower-paying gigs to build your reputation and get reviews. Look into dedicated platforms like proofreadingservices.com, Scribindy, or Cactus Communications. These often require a test, but can lead to more consistent work. Direct outreach. Consider reaching out to local small businesses, indie authors, or even student associations. They often need affordable proofreading help. Set your rates strategically. Beginners might start around $15 to $25 per hour or per page, per word count. As you gain experience and speed, that rate can increase. Hitting $1,500 a month means consistently finding work that averages out to roughly 20 to 25 hours a week at a good rate, totally achievable with dedication. Tips for success and sustainability to build a successful online proofreading business from home. Be meticulous. Attention to detail is your superpower. Meet deadlines. Reliability builds trust and repeat clients. Communicate clearly. Ask questions if something is unclear in the text. Invest in yourself. Consider a paid grammar course if you find a specific area challenging, or a premium Grammarly subscription. Take breaks. Protect your eyes and mind. Proofreading can be intense, so step away to recharge. If you have a knack for language and a desire for flexible, accessible work from home, online proofreading offers a clear path to potentially earning $1,500 every single month. It's a legitimate skill that's always in demand, allowing you to work on your own terms from anywhere. Are you ready to use your keen eye to build your home-based income? Hit the like button if this video gave you a new opportunity. Subscribe to The Rural Hustle for more legitimate work-from-home strategies. And tell me in the comments, what's the one grammar rule you can't stand when people break it? Check the description below for links to recommended proofreading platforms and free grammar resources to kickstart your journey. Your path to a flexible, rewarding home income starts now.